Hey everyone, welcome back to Pati Marsh Creations. Today I'm making this super cute personalized leopard print tumbler with pink bows, and honestly I love the way that this turned out. So if you love girly, trendy, coquette inspired designs, this tumbler is definitely for you. And the best part of this design is that it's beginner friendly and so fun to make. So let's get started. For this tumbler, I'm using this silicone mat. Again, if you don't have one, it's okay. You don't need to have one. I just use it to protect my surfaces, but I will have it listed in the description below. A sublimated tumbler, and this is from the Stainless Steel Depot. Heat-resistant tape. And I typically use this Cricut tool in order to peel off the tape when it's done. A heat-resistant glove and the sublimated print. Now, if you do not have the sublimated print, you can most definitely order one from Etsy. There's a lot of vendors that will send you sublimated prints. Or you can reach out to me and I can most definitely post it on my Etsy shop and print it out for you. This is a sublimation paper that I use from Sub, and it's listed in the description below, the list of supplies. Here I am cutting out the design using my paper cutter. Makes it so much easier. And look at this print, adorable. Seriously, I'm so obsessed with this design. It is super cute. Now I'm wrapping the sublimation print around the tumbler and making sure that everything is in place before I apply the heat tape to secure it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the heat resistant tape. I usually try to cut little pieces and then I place them across the seam, one next to the other. There's no perfection here, doesn't have to be straight or anything of that nature, but I just try to apply one piece next to the other, next to the other. That helps me keep the design secure and helps minimize any ghosting or any imperfections. As I continue to put the pieces one by one, I also press in the middle where the seam is, because this helps to be able to get that design as close as possible to the tumbler. I'm using my favorite tumbler press from Heat Press Nation for this 20-ounce Sublimation tumbler. I heat the tumbler at 365 degrees for 60 seconds, making sure to rotate it so all sides heat evenly. This helps the design transfer beautifully onto the tumbler. Okay, so now for the moment of truth. Let's peel this back and see how it turned out. Oh my gosh, this came out so pretty. The colors transferred beautifully and I love how vibrant the pink bows turned out against the leopard print. And the personalized name just pulls the whole design together perfectly. I love it. As you can see, this turned out super cute. You can most definitely use the cap that it came with. If you ordered this through the website that I have listed below, it comes with a clear top. Or you can also purchase a colored top. I got this off of Amazon, and I will be putting that link below in the description. You can most definitely use that. It's the same. You have a space for your straw there. And again, these are really easy to make. Okay, y'all, as I mentioned, these are so easy to make. You can make these as a Mother's Day gift, a birthday gift, a teen girl tumbler, or even just a fun personalized cup for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.